Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And here we are of match 6.2. As they restart the match in autonomous, they score 7 points high like 1771 did then. On the top, 7 points. That's 21 points right there, plus 3 points for coming off. It's now 30 to the red and 9 for the blue. 2 minutes and 15 seconds now controlled by the human players on the bottom of the ocean. We get a beautiful view as the water is crystal clear in the ocean today. All right, the action takes place as 1771 puts the algae up in the net. There's one. There, it drops off into the ocean on the opposite side of the field. 1771, another shot into the net. That's another 4 points as it's now 39-43 to 20. Match number 6 of 68 total qualifying. This is a replay of match number 6 that we are replaying because of an issue discovered on the field during their match. 52 to 33 right now as we got a minute 25 left to go. It's now 57. Make that 62 as 1771 scoring high atop the reef one more time. And 5109, the Gladiator Robotics dancing around underneath the ocean. The currents are messing with them. As 7451, the Avenger Robotics team pulls the algae up off of the reef on the bottom of the sea. They're looking to pick up another piece of algae. They've got that algae in their possession. Or they tried. I can't tell from here where they're at. They've got it in possession, sliding it down against the wall, trying to keep the other alliance from scoring those algae points. He gets 6 points for scoring algae in the processor on the side and 4 points in the net as 1771 continues to score high atop the reef for 5 points apiece. It's now 83 to 48 in favor of the Red Alliance with 39 seconds left to go as 5109 defends against 1771, trying to keep them from getting that coral slid down the chute to them from the human player on the barge atop of the ocean. 5109 dancing with 1771 as 1771 slides by, headed back to the reef. We're down to under 20 seconds left to go. 1771 releases the coral. 1771 having trouble with the currents as they move ever closer to the barge zone. They're at the barge zone right now. They've got 5 seconds left to go. Will they be able to pull themselves up off of the floor as the Avenger Robotics team is done? But keep in mind that at the end of the match, with the currents as strong as they are at the bottom of the ocean, they have to remain above the ocean floor in order to gain the 12 points. That one's going to be close. I don't know if they've got those or not, but we'll find out when the score is released here in just a moment, when the fish start swimming on the reef. All right, here we go. The replay of match number 6 has a score. For the Red Alliance, victorious and 95 points. Also gaining a ranking point for moving all of their bots off of the starting position and scoring on the reef during autonomous. That's a ranking point plus the 3 for the victory. The Blue Alliance was awarded the barge ranking point for having more than 14 points scored in the barge zone.